Folks, all right, so today, my last meal of the day, 2 packs of oatmeal and about 3 teaspoons of peanut butter. So I add the peanut butter for protein and fat. So the reason I have oatmeal as my last meal most of the time is because it is a complex carbohydrate. So it's going to digest a lot slower. It's going to give me more consistent energy throughout the day, and it's going to keep me fuller. So I'll be able to not to eat anything else for the rest of the day. Wake up tomorrow, work out fasted, still have good energy levels. And then after my workout, I'll take my simple carbohydrates because now I want that to immediately go into my system and start transporting those amino acids to repair the muscle. So that's why I eat my complex carbs at night and my simple carbohydrates after my workout. Thank you guys for watching and take care.